So how to properly import media in CapCut. So as you can see guys, I have this clip and I have this second clip, and as you can tell, these two are different resolution clip. So if I drag this clip first in timeline, the project resolution will set to this clip. And now if I drag the second one, and now as you can see guys, the first clip resolution is now applied to the second clip. So now if I delete these two, let's press backspace, and now first let's drag this one. And now as you can see, the resolution of the project is now set to this clip. And now if I drag this clip, as you can see, the first clip resolution is now applied to this clip. So if you want to change your resolution, then you have to click on this original. You can select the preset. You can select a mobile screen. So for example, if you want to export for TikToks or for shorts or for Instagram reel, then you can select these templates. Now if you want to customize your resolution, then you have to click on this customize. You can change your aspect ratio. So I'm going to change this to 9020 x 1080. Now let's click on the save button, and now as you can see, we have this new resolution. And if you want to go back to this original resolution, then you have to click here and you have to select original, and we back to the original resolution of this project. So when we start editing the clip, first we'll look at the color scopes. So as you can tell, we don't have any scopes right now. So first we have to enable them. So to enable them, you have to click here, and now we have to enable this in color. And now guys, if I play this video, as you can see, we have three different scopes. Let's stop this video, and now let's turn this off. Now guys, if we click here, and in preview quality, we can set this to performance, so it won't lag when we play back the video, and we can set this to quality priority, so it will play the video in high resolution. So we can change this, and now as you can see, now we have the high resolution preview playback, and we can set this to performance when we have a heavy project timeline. Now if you want to export a frame of your video, so for example, I like this frame, so I want to export this still frame as a picture. So we can click here and we can export still frame, and now we can change the export destination. We can change the name. Let's change this to image 1. We can change the resolution. We can change the format. And now as you can see guys, this is also checked import project, so it will import this picture in project as well. So we can export this and it will also import this in project. So as you can see, if I drag this, we have this picture. And if we unchecked this one, import project, it won't import this in project. And now as you can see, we don't have that picture anymore. Now guys, if you want to zoom in, then you have to press Ctrl key on the keyboard. We can use the scroll to zoom in and zoom out, and we can use the middle scroll of mouse to travel from one position to another. We can click here and we can change this to original position. Now if you want to play your video in full screen, then you have to click here, and now we have this full screen playback. Let's stop this video, and now let's minimize this.